Alright guys, it's time to go. We're leaving early for the first time. I'm so happy. And early for us would be like, what time is it? 7:46. That's early for us. So we'll see you out in the water. My God, this ramp is getting busy. I never seen that before. Look at that. Oh Lord. Hey boys and girls, here we are out on the water. It promises to be a really good day. It's a Friday, and I gotta tell you, the ramp is full with people, kids. I never seen a line in the ramp, but we have plans to go to a really cool place. I'm really looking forward and very excited. It's Alicia Shipwreck. So let's see, this is a new place. I hope that we can get our coordinates good and ready, and we can actually go and dive. This dive is going to be give or take 20 feet. It's going to be a 20 feet deep dive. You're invited to join us and just live through this experience. So see you soon, I hope, on the water, guys, okay? How long do you think it's going to take us to get there?
Usually half an hour.
Half an hour? I've seen you guys, 3 turtles. 3 turtles I've seen. Really cool. One huge. Too fast to be able to record. But it's kind of wavy here. They look crystal clear. So clear. But we have some way to go. Still in transit.
Is the shipwreck there?
Yeah, right out there.
Hey, is the shipwreck in there?
Right there. We're
Yeah.
right there. Right on top of it.
Wow.
Yep. Oh man.
What happened?
You see it, guys. Just 20 feet below the surface lies the steamer Alicia. It's a great wreck now, shipwreck. One of my favorite things to do as well as diving. Just be able to look up close and appreciate the rest of what once was a huge ship. Actually, the Alicia steamer was 345 foot long and it weighed 2,795 tons. Huge ship, as you can see. Uh, to me, it's so humbling to be able to visit these places, visit and appreciate how such a big ship had become what you can see now, this wreck, just pieces of it, and how it had acclimated to the marine life so well, and now it's home to all the fish and corals and all the beautiful stuff that we can appreciate down in the ocean. The steamer Alicia was ported in Bilbao, Spain, and left Liverpool early in April 1905 bound for Havana. Her cargo was valued at greater than $1 million and included silks, linens, silverware, household furniture, among other things. It also contained wine, English ale, liquor, and, believe it or not, a complete iron bridge. But on April 20, 1905, Alicia slammed into Long Reef during a storm. Just as I noticed, many other ships met their fate in Biscayne National Park that way. It was bilge and waterlogged. A passing ship took her crew to Havana. Captain Hugh Johnson, master wrecker and captain of the Key West schooner Mount Olive, was first on scene and was later joined by other 70 other sailors. So that's the beautiful history of the ship that I want to share with you guys. Well, my friends, this will conclude our video. I don't want to make it too long, and I did want to give you as much as I could. Not all of the clips from the shipwreck, but as much as I could. I wanted to bring you that. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video, where we go to Caesars Creek, have lunch. Beautiful Caesar Creek. I love that location. Beautiful place to relax. We went there, we ate lunch, and then we went close to Elio Key, I believe, where I did some shallow diving, and I got to chase some dolphins, wild dolphins. So it was a great day out on the ocean. Stay tuned for that video. I have wonderful clips that I want to share with you guys. So thank you for watching. Thanks so much for supporting the channel, supporting me, and I see you very soon on the water.